Good morning, students. I am delighted to start this special week with you. Typically on the week of Thanksgiving, we pause and we think of all of the things that we are thankful for. I heard this song the other day and I thought it was a great reminder of all of the special things that we have within ourselves and all around us that we can be grateful for. Take a listen.
Everybody gets a heart. Everybody gets a soul. Everybody gets a mind to let them know that we can be smart, we can be kind, we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for.
Boys and girls, we sure do have a lot to be thankful for, and I hope that you pause and take some time to think about things in your homes, in your lives, and within your classrooms that you are thankful for. And I hope you share those things with your teachers, your classmates, and your families, because they mean a lot, especially right now. I am thankful to be a part of this wonderful Ballinger Creek community. I'm grateful for all of your hard work, and I can't wait to see you again soon.